And Donnie, I think probably the market this morning is looking for a bit more detail as it relates to tariffs. I know Heather asked the question, but anything more you can provide, just how you see the moving pieces, and there are quite a bit of them by protein across beef, pork, and chicken, even if it's at a high level, and it's encouraging to hear, you're going to work with the administration, but just how you see the trade dynamics kind of unfolding, even if it's in the very near term. Thanks.
Very early in this process, we've seen tariff instances in the past, and they can be very dynamic as the two trade entities continue to work together. I think the real call out relative to pork, and that's one of the big question marks that sits out in front of us, is the fact that we really operate as a supply chain. And when we have pork producers, pork packers, and then our trade partners that are in Mexico as well, it really operates as a true global supply chain. And where that value gets pushed back and forth within the supply chain is certainly something that we'll keep an eye on.
Yeah, Peter, this is Wes. On poultry, I would say, look, we shipped over 3 billion pounds in our Q1, and less than 80 million pounds of that went to Mexico. And then, as Donnie said, Canada's predominantly heavy hens. But if you think about a global level supply and demand dynamic, what you're really talking about is a disruption of who's selling and who's buying and when.
Awesome. Thanks very much, guys. Appreciate it.